Welcome to a journey through the mists of time. To a valley where the celestial once touched the earth, and where one sage, with divine wisdom and compassion, transformed a lake of the gods into the most beautiful land on earth. Today, we unravel the mystical tale of Kashyap Rishi, the sage whose legacy gave birth to the breathtaking Kashmir Valley. A tale of cosmic wisdom, creation, and eternal truths. Chapter 1. The Sage Among Stars. Who was Kashyap Rishi? Kashyap Rishi, one of the great Saptrishis, the 7 celestial sages who received divine knowledge from the Supreme Consciousness. He was not just a sage. He was a bridge between the mortal and divine. He is mentioned in the Rigveda, the Mahabharata, the Puranas, and even Buddhist texts. He was a teacher of gods, a father of demigods, and a reformer of earth. His legacy runs deep in India's mythological and spiritual DNA. Chapter 2. Satasa, the divine lake before Kashmir. Before there was Kashmir, there was Satasa. According to Hindu mythology, the entire valley of Kashmir was once a vast celestial lake, inhabited by divine beings, Apsaras, Yakshas, and Nagas. The land was fertile, yet submerged. The people were in despair, they needed a savior. Enter Kashyap Rishi, whose compassion for humanity set the wheels of creation in motion. Chapter 3. The divine yajna, transforming water into land. Kashyap Rishi meditated and performed rigorous penance to please Lord Vishnu. Moved by his devotion, Vishnu granted him a boon. A yajna was performed, a sacred fire ritual that shook the cosmic elements. As the fire blazed, the waters of Satasa began to recede. The Kashmir Valley was born, a lush, breathtaking land revealed by divine will. This was not just a geographical transformation. It was spiritual genesis. Chapter 4. Sacred Geography. Kashmir as a spiritual cradle. Even today, Kashmir is not just geography, it is sacred space. Temples and pilgrimage sites abound. Martand Sun Temple, believed to be built by Kashyap himself. Amarnath Cave, where Kashyap Rishi witnessed Shiva's divine revelation. These spaces are not just for prayer, they are portals into the divine cosmos. To walk through Kashmir is to walk through the footsteps of Kashyap Rishi himself. Chapter 5. Family of the Cosmos. Aditi, Diti, and the Celestial Offspring. Let's now enter Kashyap Rishi's personal life. Not just a sage, but a cosmic patriarch. His wives were not ordinary women, they were goddesses and elemental forces. Aditi, mother of the Adityas, gods of light. Diti, Danu, Krudvisha, mothers of Daityas, Danvas, and Maruts. From Kashyap's lineage came Surya, sun god. Agni, fire god. Vritra, Indra's enemy. Garuda, Vishnu's mount. A single sage, whose descendants shaped the entire pantheon of Hindu deities. Chapter 6. Kashmiri Culture and Folklore. Over centuries, Kashmiri poets, artists, and bards have kept his legend alive. Oral traditions sing of how Satasa became Kashmir. Paintings and sculptures show Kashyap in meditation, surrounded by heavenly beings. His story is etched not just in stone, but in the soul of Kashmir. The mythology is not forgotten, it lives in the heart of every Kashmiri. Chapter 7. The Symbolism. What does Kashyap Rishi represent? Why does this myth endure? Because it holds deep philosophical truths, creation from chaos, the power of selfless action, respect for nature, the harmony of celestial and terrestrial realms. Kashyap Rishi is a symbol of balance, transformation, and timeless wisdom. Chapter 8. Modern Lessons from Ancient Myths. In today's world of environmental crisis, cultural conflict, and spiritual confusion, the story of Kashyap Rishi reminds us that sacredness lies in creation, not destruction. That true wisdom is inclusive, compassionate, and sustainable. It's a call to reconnect with nature, with divinity, and with our inner selves. A valley eternal. The legacy lives on. Kashyap Rishi's tale is not just a story. It's a spiritual blueprint, a cosmic memory. It reminds us that Kashmir is not merely a land, it is a living myth. So next time you look at the Himalayas, or walk the green fields of the valley, know that you are treading on sacred ground. The legacy of Kashyap Rishi lives on.